Chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate, right? But today, I'm gonna decide which is the best off-brand chocolate bar. Okay, hold on, I gotta... Woo! The goal of today's video is to try and find the best off-brand, aka cheap version of our name brand chocolate bars. Those go as Kit Kat and For Fun, Mars and Meteorite, Snickers and Titan, Bounty and Island Bar, and last but not least, Bueno, Kinder, and Biscolata Duomax. Yeah, what a name. Oh my god, I was trying to fix the camera, oh god. Okay, I had some technical difficulties there. Okay, to start off, starting off with our off-brand chocolate. Round one, these dudes. Oh, going hand in hand. I'll start with the For Fun. Oh. Do you want outside? What are you doing? My cat is being such a nuisance to my recording. Starting off with our For Fun. It looks like this thing was assaulted on delivery to the store. It's all beaten up. What happened to it? If you guys have ever had like those little Easter egg chocolates wrapped in tinfoil, it smells like that. Okay. It's not bad at all, actually. That's a half decent chocolate bar. If we're doing a little scale, I'd say that's probably 6 out of 10 epic chocolate bars. Hey, I'm being smart. I got myself a glass of milk so I can, you know, wash the chocolate taste out. Some good milk. Now for the name brand version of our friend For Fun. That's what we're looking for. That's sexier. Actually, this one looked like it really got beat up during a delivery. Oh my god, this dude's got scratches and bruises. Okay. It's a good chocolate bar. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay, now the thing is with Kit Kat bars, I like them. I really like them, but I never actually decide, hey, I'm gonna go buy a Kit Kat bar. Going back to the For Fun, for reference. Wow. Okay, these are very different. They look very similar, but they taste extremely different. Kit Kat Chunky though, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. It's a good chocolate bar, but I also gotta keep my standard low for the Bueno and the Bounty bar, which are my favorites, God bless. Moving on to our next off-brand and name brand. We got Mars and Meteor, which I'm actually excited for these ones. Like Mars, it's simple. But look at, oh god, it's so shiny, it's so unique. We're gonna start off with the off-brand again and see how this tastes. Look at that. Ooh, you even got the kind of like the waves. Damn, they be copying, okay. Kind of smexy. Meteor Bar, I got hopes. What? I don't even think I can explain how it tastes. My first thought was like chemical. What the, oh. It's not a terrible chocolate bar, but it's certainly not good. Let's say that eat like a quarter of the bar. I'm disappointed in the Meteor. They got the packaging right, but 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 for the Meteor Bar. That was disappointing. Moving on to the name brand version, we got our Mars, good old friend. Maybe simplistic is the better route. Look at that. Look at that wavy goodness. Oh, they do it right. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. That's a lot better. God, Mars, they pull it off, man. I think I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because Mars bars are good, but I can eat even less Mars bars than I can Kit Kat because I feel like I'm going to have a heart attack or a stroke after eating them. I feel like my veins are gonna pop. Moving on to ones that I'm personally very, very excited for. We got Island Bar, which is our off-brand version of my good friend Bounty. It's so simple, but it's so good. It's such a solid chocolate bar. We are gonna start off with our dollar store Island Bar. We got that nice sexy little wave. The bottom's actually different. It's got more of a, like a diamond pattern, which is interesting. But does it taste as good as it actually looks? That's actually really good. For an off-brand chocolate bar, Island Bar, you're doing something right with those bars. But that's really good. That's getting a 7 out of 10 Epic Gamer chocolate bars. What a rating. And now, on to our name brand homie, the Bounty Bar. Sweet, simple, gorgeous. Oh, and look at the bottom. Look at that. Oh my God. But how much better is this than like the cheap version? That's great. It's got that nice crack of the chocolate and this really sweet coconut. Yeah, I'm gonna give that an 8. 8 out of 10 epic chocolate bars. I feel like I'm gonna get a heart attack from eating this chocolate. Oh. God, I'm weak. For our second last off-brand and name brand chocolate bar, we've got Snickers. A great chocolate bar. And our very badass sounding chocolate bar, you've got our Titan, which, what a name. Okay, Mr. Titan Bar, what do you got in store for us? Get a whiff? Okay. Oh. What? Why does it smell like that? I'm doing a lot of Easter chocolate comparisons, but if you've ever gotten like those big like chocolate Easter things that's like shaped like a superhero or like a dog, it's got like the little candy eyes, the Titan almost smells like that, but if it's been sitting out for like 3 months. It smells off-putting. Okay, smell aside, we're here for taste, because some things can smell terrible but be delicious. I mean, the peanuts are good, but how the hell can you go wrong with the peanuts? Oh, a cat cam! My cat Piper decided to join us. Thank you, Piper. Piper, moving on to the Snickers. The name brand version of our Titan. Oh, I almost forgot the rating for the Titan. I'm gonna go 5.5 Epic Gamer chocolate bars. Whew, why does my heart hurt? How does my heart hurt? Am I gonna die from eating this? Jesus Christ, what is in this stuff? Piper. Moving on to our Mars bar. It looks pretty. It's a pretty bar. Look at that. They do it right. You know, you don't need to go crazy with it. That's not a Mars bar. This is Snickers. Oh my. Okay, Snickers, blow me away. That is significantly better. Oh, it's salty, it's sweet. You get that nice creamy caramel, that nougat in the bottom. Even though the peanuts are better, somehow they did peanuts better. I think this has to go for 7.5 out of 10. I usually don't even eat Mars or Snickers, so this is growing on me. Snickers, you're doing something right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gamers and gamettes, swaggers and swagsters, it is time for the final round. Kinder Bueno versus our truck engine, Biscolata Duo Max. What the hell is a Duo Max? Oh, it's like, cause there's 2 of them. Oh, okay. There we go. Look, it comes in a little package too. Beautiful. With the Bueno bars, there's a tab you can pull on, but I guess I have to be like an animal and rip it. We gotta do that little. Oh, deep breath. I need to take another swig of milk before I do this. Okay. Biscolata Duo Max. Let's give it a try. Huh. That's actually really good. It has like a coffee taste. Like, have you ever had like those coffee flavored hard candies? It tastes like that. It's most definitely better than the For Fun, the Meteorite, and the Titan.
So I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
But is it better than the Island Bar? First off, we're gonna try the Bueno Bar. Look at this. Simple. They don't need to overdo it. You got this little tab, and it just comes off. Beautiful. Beautiful. Swig of milk. Going in for the Bueno Bar. Yeah, I'm messing with that. It's good. I love it. It's a great chocolate bar.
And that's why the Kinder Bueno is getting a 9 out of 10.
Hey, Pepper. Hello? How dare my cat not care about my chocolate test? So I went back and I tried all our chocolate bars again. I'm gonna bring the Meteorite down to a 4. That's really disappointing. I had hope for that. I don't know what the hell I gave the Bounty Bar, but this is a 9. And I've made a list of the best and worst versions of the chocolate bars. The worst one, by far, for our off-brand, is Meteor. I genuinely had hope for the Meteor Bar, but it really sucked. The Mars Bar is significantly better. The Meteor just cannot compete with the Mars Bar, in my opinion. So that's why it's getting number 5 on our list. For number 4, we actually have the For Fun. It's not bad. I wouldn't hate to have it, but I wouldn't go to my way. So that's why it's getting our 4th spot. For our 3rd place, it actually comes in the Titan. But the Titan bar, it's not a half bad chocolate bar. Actually, when compared to Snickers, it has potential. It's just a little boring. And for our final 2, this was a hard decision. But after kind of reviewing them some more, our 2nd place is gonna have to go to the Island Bar. It's a good chocolate bar. You guys probably see this coming. But our number 1 spot goes to the goddamn truck part of a chocolate bar, Biscolata Duo Max. What? That's just such a weird name. But the bar itself is actually good. It does taste slightly different than the Bueno Bar, with like more of a coffee taste in the chocolate.
Exactly. And that's why I'm actually giving the first place to the Island Bar. Because the Island Bar is the closest and best thing to the name brand bar. And the Duo Max just tastes like some coffee bar. It tastes completely different, but it's still good. So I'm moving that bad boy to 2nd. And the Island Bar is the true best off-brand version of our name brand chocolate bars.
That was an interesting taste test. I really expected some of the more off-brand chocolates to be better than they were. But I mean, that's what you get when you pay a lot cheaper for a bar. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me and doing this. I'm definitely gonna do more like this in the future. I love chilling on camera. It's fun to edit and it's fun to watch. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.